As the night sky awakens, a breathtaking spectacle begins. This is not just fireworks. This is the spirit of the Chinese New Year, a celebration of hope, renewal, and new beginnings. The colors, the sound, the energy. It's a reminder that no matter where we are in the world, we all celebrate the same dreams. So as these lights fade into the night, remember this: your next chapter can be just as powerful. Happy New Year! Don't forget to subscribe to Amazing Wonders for more breathtaking moments from around the world.